Hi friends and students, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to continue with 10th standard chapter number 1, that is linear equation in two variables. Now we were solving earlier the practice set 1.4 and we have solved two problems. Now we are going to continue with the problem number 3. This is practice set 1.4 and now we are going to continue. Now this is problem number 3 and the problem is 27 divided by x minus 2 plus 31 divided by y plus 3 is equal to 85, and second non-linear equation is 31 divided by x minus 2 plus 27 y plus 3 is equal to 89. These are the two non-linear equations. We have to find out the value of x and y over here. So as for the earlier problems, we have to consider these variables into new variables. There are two variables. This is x minus 2, y plus 3. Here is also x minus 2 and y plus 3. So we are going to consider new variables instead of these variables. So what we will consider? Consider 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to a, and say 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to b. We will assume that this is equation number 1. This is solution. This is equation number 2. Now substituting a and b in equation 1 and 2. So what will the equation will become? This will become 27a plus 31b is equal to 85, and second equation will become 31a plus 27b is equal to 89. Say this is equation number 3 and this is equation number 4. Now we will add both these equations, because you have to calculate, you have to find out the value of a and b over here. So adding equation say 3 and 4. So this is 27a plus 31b is equal to 85. This is 31a plus 27b is equal to 89. This is the addition of both these. 7 plus 1 8. This is 5, 58a. Here is also 58b is equal to 9 plus 5. This is 4. Carry 1. This is 174. So what we will do? We will calculate. We will divide left hand side as well as right hand side by 58, because 174 is divisible by 58. So if you consider 58 into 3, 8 3s are 24, 4 carry 2, 3 5s are 15, plus 2 174. So it is divisible by say 58, and the answer will come 3. So we will add here, dividing both sides by 58. The answer will become, this is a plus b is equal to 3. This is equation number say 5. Now we will subtract equation number 3 from 4. 3 from 4. So subtracting equation third from 4. So what will answer come? This is equation number 4. This is 31a plus 27b is equal to 89 minus 27a plus 31b is equal to 85. So this minus and here also minus. So 89 minus 85, answer is 4. Then 27 minus 31, answer will become minus 4b. Here 31 minus 27a, answer will become 4a. Now here dividing both sides by 4, answer will become a minus b is equal to 1. This is equation number, say, 6. Now what we will do? We will add equation number 5 and now adding equation 5th and 6th. So here a plus b is equal to 3 and a minus b is equal to 1. We do the addition. A plus a is equal to 2a plus b minus b get cancelled. Answer will come 4. So a is equal to 4 by 2 is equal to 2. So a is equal to 2. So a is equal to 2. A is equal to 2. Now moving further, now we have to calculate the value of A. Then how to calculate the value of A? We can calculate the value of B. We can put A is equal to 2 either in equation 5th or 6th. We can get the value of B. So we can put A is equal to 2, say in equation number 6, in equation 6. So what is the equation number 6? This is A minus B is equal to 1. So 2 minus B is equal to 1. So this is, we'll carry minus B on left hand side and we will carry 1 on right hand side. So it will become 2 minus 1 is equal to B. So B is equal to 1. B is equal to 1. So A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 1. So we have find out both the values. A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 1. Now we will put all these values in these equations. This is 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to A and 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to B. So, but A is equal to 1 upon minus 2 and B is equal to 1 upon y plus 3. So what is the value of? So A is here 2 is equal to 1 upon x minus 2 and B, what is the value of B? B is 1 is equal to 1 upon y plus 3. So we will do cross multiplication here. 2 into x minus 2 is equal to 1 and here y plus 3 is equal to 1. So this is 2x minus 4 is equal to 1 and this is y, say y plus 3 is equal to 1. So this is, so 2x is equal to, minus 4 will go right hand side, so become plus 4 plus 1 and this is y is equal to 1 minus 3. So 2x is equal to 5 and y is equal to minus 2. So x is equal to 5 upon 2 and y is equal to minus 2. This is the answer of x and 2. X and y. So what is the answer? X comma y is equal to 5 by 2 minus 2 is the solution. You have to put it in bracket, it will easily get highlighted. So this is the solution of this problem. We have to consider this variables. We have to convert these variables into new variables, and we have to calculate the value of a and b. Once we calculate the value of a and b, then we can hope you might have understood this problem. Now we are going to go for the next problem, that is problem number 4. But before moving to the problem number 4, I would like to remind you, please like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem or query, you can comment me in my comment box. So please subscribe my channel. Now we will go to the problem number 4. Problem number 4 is 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 upon 4, and second one is 1 upon 2 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 upon 8. Now here in the denominator, here is 3x plus y, but here 2 into 3x plus y and 2 into 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 8. As usual, or as per the previous problem, we can consider 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to a, and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to b. So putting values of a and b in, this is, I am directly writing solution. This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2 in equations 1 and 2. Putting values of a and b in equation, putting values of a and b in equation 1, putting a and b in equation 1 and 2, putting a and b in equation number 1 and 2. So this equation will become a plus b is equal to 3 upon 4. Here this will become 1 upon 2a minus 1 upon 2b is equal to minus 1 by 8. This is equation number 3. This is equation number 4. So we will not write down this equation number 4. Here what we will do, since their denominator is same, we will do one thing, divide, or say if you multiply this by 2, multiplying by 2, so what will become, this will become a minus b is equal to minus 1 by 4. Now this is equation number 4. We have simplify this by multiplying 2. So this 2 get cancelled. Here also 2 get cancelled. Here 2 4s are 8. So this is 1 by 4. Now what we will do? We will add 1 and 3 and adding equation say 3 and 4. Adding equation 3 and 4. So this is A plus B is equal to 3 by 4. This is A minus B is equal to minus 1 by 4. A plus B is equal to 3 by 4 and A minus B is equal to 1 by 4. So we have to add this. So this is 2A. This B get cancelled. Here 3 minus 4 minus 1 by 4. So 2A is equal to say 3 minus 1 divided by 4 is 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. So A is equal to 1 by 2 into this 2 will get in the denominator over here. So 2. So A is equal to 1 by 4. This is the value of A. This is A is equal to 1 by 4. Now putting value of, now we have to calculate, we have to find out the value of B. So what we will do? Putting A is equal to 1 by 4 in equation, say this equation 3. So this is 1 by 4 plus B is equal to 3 by 4. So B is equal to 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So B is equal to 3 minus 1 divided by 4 is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. So B is equal to 1 by 2. Now we have calculated the value of A as well as value B. Now we have to calculate the value of X and Y. So but A is equal to say 1 upon 3x plus y and B is equal to 1 upon 3x minus y. So what is the value of A? This is 1 by 4 is equal to 1 upon 3x plus y and this is B is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 1 upon 3x minus y. So we have to do the cross multiplication here. This 3x plus y is equal to 4 and this is 3x minus y is equal to 2. Now you have to calculate the value of x and y. So what we will do? See, this is equation number 3x plus y is equal to 4. This is equation number, say we have calculated equation up to 4. So you can consider this is 5th and 3x minus y is equal to 2. This is 6. So adding equation 5th and 6th. So this is 3x plus y is equal to 4. The 3x minus y is equal to 2 plus. So this is 6x. This y get cancelled. This is 6. So x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. Now putting value of x, say in equation 5. Putting x is equal to 1 in equation 5. So the equation will become 3 into 1 is equal to y is equal to 4. So this is 4. 3 into 1 plus y is equal to 4. So 4 plus y is equal to 4. So y is equal to 3. So this is 3 ones are 3. So y is equal to 4 minus 3. So y is equal to 1. So value of x is also 1 and y is also 1. So what is the solution? So x comma y is equal to 1 by 1 is the solution. Is the solution of this non-linear equation. Hope you have understood this problem. What you have done, similar to earlier problem, we have considered these existing variables into new variables. Then you calculate the value of a and b. Then putting the value of a and b in terms of x and y. Then again here we have to make simplification over here. Since it is not a simple equation, we have to again calculate the value of x and y. So by doing all these things, we calculate the value of x and y. Hope you understood this problem. Hope you understood this problem. Now we have completed the problem set 1.4. In the next session, we will start new problems practice set, that is 1.5. We start with practice set 1.5. We solve all. We will try to solve all the problems of practice set 1.5. So guys, this is we are going to make the end of this session. Hope you have enjoyed and understood these problems. Still, if you have any query or any comment, you please comment me in my comment box, and please like and share my videos. Ask your friend also to share my videos. Thank you.